Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Tata Realty new launch project Tata Orbis Phase 1 located in Ghansoli. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location right over here. Here is the Thane Belapur road. This side of the road will lead you to Navi Mumbai. This side will lead you to Thane. And right here is the actual land parcel. Have a look at the actual land parcel. Also the neighborhood. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of what Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builder. So buy your dream home directly with the builder only on Housey. Talking about project overview, Tata Orbis Phase 1 will be constructed on a total township land parcel of 47.5 acres, out of which 10.33 acres will be for residential towers, out of which they are coming off 7 towers, currently launching 2 towers. They are going to be having ground plus 43 residential floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK of luxurious apartments. Talking about connectivity, this project is located off Thane Belapur Road, Reliance Corporate Park, Ghansoli, Navi Mumbai, with D-Mart at a distance of 2.5 km. We have Reliance Corporate Park at a distance of 5 minutes. We have Ghansoli Railway Station at a distance of 2 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this very amazing project will be having 50 plus luxurious amenities, which includes swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, banquet hall, multi-purpose court, and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you have booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any construction or leakage related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? We have made you understand all of these things in very simple and easy to understandable language. So before booking your home next time, go through this series. ये सीरीज का लिंक आपको ऊपर आई बटन या नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configuration, 2 and 3 BHK of deck apartment with 2 BHK ranging from 750 to 776 square feet and 3 BHK ranging from 969 square feet to 1165 square feet. Talking about the booking process, the booking process is now open. So currently this project is in pre-launch stage. So the clients can attend an online presentation with our sales team, where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Tata Realty new launch project, Tata Orbis Phase 1 located in Ghansoli. To get more information about this amazing upcoming project, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.